Welcome back to Auto Saga. Today we're diving into the 2025 Toyota RAV4, a compact luxury SUV that continues to lead its segment with confidence. For 2025, Toyota has given the RAV4 a subtle refresh, refining the details to keep it stylish and competitive in an increasingly crowded market. This model blends sophistication, comfort, and efficiency in a way that resonates well with both city commuters and small families. The design of the 2025 RAV4 is clean, modern, and subtly aggressive. The front fascia gets a refined grille with slimmer LED headlights, giving the SUV a sharper and more upscale look. Toyota has added new alloy wheel designs and fresh color options to keep the aesthetic contemporary. The body lines remain strong and athletic, helping the RAV4 stand out without being overly flashy. From every angle, it communicates purpose and confidence, and while it doesn't scream luxury, it certainly has a premium presence in its class. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 comes with two key powertrains. The standard is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, producing about 203 horsepower. For those looking for efficiency and refinement, the hybrid version combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to deliver a total of 219 horsepower. Both options offer smooth performance, with the hybrid standing out in fuel economy. The RAV4 handles daily driving with ease, offering a composed ride and responsive steering, and the available all-wheel drive system adds extra confidence in poor weather or light off-roading. Inside, the RAV4 continues to impress. Toyota has upgraded the cabin materials with soft touch surfaces and improved seat padding, giving it a more luxurious feel. The layout is practical and modern, featuring a new 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system on higher trims, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a digital instrument cluster on select models. Space is generous for both front and rear passengers, and the cargo area is among the best in its segment. The limited trim especially feels premium, offering features like ventilated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, and a premium JBL sound system. Safety remains a strong suit for the RAV4. Toyota includes its Safety Sense 3.0 suite as standard, which brings features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and automatic high beams. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are available as well. These systems work seamlessly in the background, providing peace of mind without being intrusive. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 starts around $30,000 for the base low model. The mid-level XLE and XSE trims range from $33,000 to $37,000 depending on configuration. If you're going for the top tier, limited trim, expect to spend close to $40,000. The hybrid models carry a premium of about $1,500 to $2,000 more, but offer significant fuel savings over time, making them a smart choice for long-term ownership. Overall, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 remains a smart and stylish option in the compact SUV space. It blends practicality, reliability, and a touch of luxury in a way few others in this segment manage. Whether you're upgrading your family vehicle or just want something dependable with a premium edge, the RAV4 deserves a spot on your shortlist.